Hello photographer! If you also have this problem with a broken lock clamp, I will show you how to easily fix this Velbon tripod head without buying a new Velbon tripod. This tutorial will fit all Velbon PH-157q BK tripod heads and Velbon Sherpa 200, Sherpa 300, Delta 5 tripods with this head and QB-157K Quick Release Plate. This system is also available for Sherpa 800R, 600N, 1000, Sherpa 537OD, 547OD, Sherpa 437OD and ULTRA LUXi IV tripods to repair your favorite tripod head lock clamp. The first task is the removal of the old lock arm. There you will need a Phillips screwdriver. Unscrew the screw, but don't lose both the screw and the spring inside. After that, you'll need a new replacement lock clamp. Unfortunately, the manufacturer doesn't offer them. But if you have a 3D printer, you can print them yourself. If you don't have a 3D printer, then email me. Search for the email in the channel's About tab. For a reward, I can send you a new replacement lock clamp. These 3D printed ones will be identical to the original but more durable. Once you have a new lock clamp, it is important to put the spring in the tripod head correctly. The spring leg has to be hooked into the small hole. Then put the replacement clamp on top so that the spring sits well in it. Once the spring is in place the lock arm on top of the tripod head so that the spring leg hooks behind the base of the tripod. Then screw the lock arm on, but so that it does not move freely and at the same time is not too tight. Let's test. It seems fine. Put the base plate inside and test it. Great! It works like new. Now, let's do a load test with this Lumix camera and a heavy metal macro lens. Everything seems to work perfectly and nothing moves. If you also had this misfortune, feel free to contact me and for a reward I'll send you a new, better looking Velbon tripod head lock clamp. Good luck, my friend.